How to file a car insurance claim, step by step for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we break down real-life stuff that schools never teach you, from cars to cash, in plain, simple language. Now picture this. You're driving home after class, vibing to your favorite track, and suddenly, bam! Someone hits your rear bumper. You freeze. You're like, what just happened? Am I in trouble? What do I even do next? Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to file a car insurance claim step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know what to do from the moment of the crash all the way to getting your car repaired or getting your money back without stress or confusion. So grab your notepad or open your Notes app. Let's dive in. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Step 1. Stay calm and stay safe. First rule, don't panic. Take a breath, check if anyone's hurt, and move your car somewhere safe if possible. Turn on your hazard lights, step out carefully, and make sure no one's in danger. And whatever you do, don't argue or admit fault. Just focus on safety first. Everything else comes later. Step 2. Gather the basics. Now that you're safe, grab the essentials. You don't need to be Sherlock Holmes. Just collect what matters most. The other driver's name, phone number, and license plate. Their insurance company and policy number. Photos of the damage and scene. A quick 360 view is perfect. If you can, record a short voice note on your phone describing what happened, time, location, and a quick summary. That'll help you remember every detail later. Step 3. Get a police report. Even if the damage looks small, having a police report helps your claim go smoother. If officers show up, give a short, honest summary, no guessing or blaming. Then ask for the report number before you leave. If the police can't come, stop by the nearest station later to file a short report yourself. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you a lot of stress later. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Step 4. Notify your insurance company ASAP. Now it's time to contact your insurer, and do it as soon as possible. Most companies actually have a 24-hour hotline or an app where you can report an accident. You'll usually need to give basic accident details, the police report number, photos of the damage, and your driver's info. Be honest and clear about what happened. Remember, your insurance rep is not your enemy. Their job is to help you process your claim, but they can only do that if you're straightforward with them. If you delay reporting or give incomplete info, your claim might take longer to approve. Step 5. File the claim properly. Now for the official part, filing your claim. This is where you upload or send all your documents through the insurance company's app, website, or directly to your agent. They'll ask for the accident details, police report, if available, damage photos, your car's registration, and your driver's license. Once it's submitted, your insurer will open a claim file and assign you a claim number. Write it down. You'll use that number to track updates. Step 6. The inspection and repair process. Next, an insurance adjuster will step in. This is the person who inspects the damage and estimates repair costs. Sometimes they'll visit in person. Other times they might ask you to visit a partner repair shop. They'll check if the damage matches your report and figure out how much it'll cost to fix your car. After that, your insurer will tell you how much they'll cover and what part, if any, you'll have to pay, called the deductible. If your car's repair cost is more than the car's actual value, they might total it, meaning they'll pay you the car's market value instead of fixing it. Step 7. Receive payment or repairs. Once everything's approved, you can either get your car repaired at a shop, the insurance pays them directly, or receive a payment to handle the repairs yourself. Make sure to double-check your final statement. Confirm that all costs are listed correctly and no detail is missing before you sign off. After the dust settles, take a few minutes to reflect. Keep a digital folder with all your claim info, emails, and receipts.
Trust me, it's gold if anything comes up later. And here's the real lesson. Even the best drivers face accidents. What matters is knowing what to do after it happens. Drive safe, stay alert, and always keep your insurance documents handy, just in case. And that's it, guys. A full step-by-step on how to file a car insurance claim the smart, confident way. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with that friend who just got their first car. They might need it one day. Till next time, drive safe, stay smart.